Want to reach 95 plus arcade points in the Google Cloud Arcade program but confused how to get it? So this video is perfectly for you. Make sure to watch till the end and make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video so that you are getting every updates regarding to different programs. Now coming over here, this is the arcade homepage where all the games are hosted. But first of all, we need to understand what is the arcade program. Then only you'll be able to understand each and everything and the point system. So first of all, the arcade program is a program by Google Cloud where you learn about cloud computing, data, AI/ML and multiple things free of cost. Okay, we get hands-on training and free of cost Google Cloud credits for completing some of the labs and challenges. Now here this program is of 6 months and it already started from January itself. Then also do not worry if you're starting in March also, you can also get better swags over here. So every month there is 11 arcade points given to everyone. Okay. But in February, if you have completed the challenges, you must have earned around more bonus points, means total there was more points. Okay, instead of 11, there were 15 points. Right, so we are not counting February month because we are making specifically for the March month itself. If you want to know from the starting, you can watch the video. I have linked the video in the description. You can watch it. Now here every month we are earning 11 arcade points. Okay, with the help of 10 arcade games, and the distribution is like this. Right, the distribution is like this. We have 4 trivias and 6 level games. Now they have simply renamed the trivias to sprint. If you just come over here, you can see they have named the trivias as sprint 1, 2, 3, 4, like it was week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Similarly, they have changed the level 1, level 2 and level 3 game as voyage, trail and adventure. The point system is same. For every badge you complete, you get 1 arcade point including the sprint. And for every 2 skill badge you get 1 arcade point. So I will come to the skill badge also, do not worry about it. So here what is present inside these games. Okay, so when you open these games, you'll see there are some access codes over here. You have to simply click on join this game and the access code is present over here directly. So this is the process. You have to join every game. The process remains same. In each game you can see that there is start option and there is access code. Like this you have to join all the games. Then after that you have to come over here and complete all these labs. Okay, you have to complete all these labs, and when you complete all these labs you complete this particular patch and you get 1 arcade point. Whatever point is listed below, you get that point. Right, now once you get the point, you can move forward to the next games. And one more important thing, you cannot complete what's next section because it is not required. So do not worry and panic about it. So like this, you have to just join every game and complete, and you'll be getting some arcade points. Okay, just like you can see, these are the arcade points listed over here. So you will be getting arcade points, and these arcade points will be added. For example, you complete 4 games, that is 4 sprint. For completing 4 sprint, you get 4 arcade points. 1 into 4. Okay, you get 4 arcade points, right? So like this you'll be getting every month. So every month there will be 10 arcade games. Okay, and it will be giving us 11 arcade points. Now how 11 arcade points? Because there will be one special game that is named as a 2-pointer game, we call it. So this time they gave 2 arcade points for the special game, and one more game will be live, that is certification zone, which is not live. Okay, now most of you are thinking that why you are not counting metrics in motion, because as I said, we are calculating from the March month itself. So if you have not completed these games in January and February, then you do not need to complete this badge because you won't be getting the points. They have clearly mentioned that you have to complete all the badges from January to June to earn 7 arcade points. So if you are starting from now, just leave this badge because there is no point in completing it and it will just waste your time if you are not learning. Okay, so just come over here. So like this you have to earn each month. So how many months are remaining? Let me just calculate you. So from March, if you just calculate from March, we have 11 arcade points. Okay, each month. So total 4 months are there. Okay, because January and February 2 months have passed, so we'll be having total 44 arcade points. Normal 44 arcade points. If they add any special games, the point will be plus also, but as of the genuine calculation, we have 44 arcade points each month. But as per the video I have shared that you have to complete 95 points. Okay, there are swags for 44 points also, you'll be getting the swags. But if you want better swags, if you just come to the channel, let me just show you. So if you want these types of swags, you can see these are the swags. Then you have to reach at least 95 plus points. Okay, minimum 95 points it was in last year. So I think they will either change it to 100 or maybe it will remain same. So like this, how will be reaching it? We have to complete skill badges. Now here you can see how to complete skill badges, and there will be a special event known as Arcade Facilitator program. So both have some correlation with the skill badges. So first of all, let me explain you about the Arcade Facilitator program. Then we'll move forward to the skill badges. So it's just a add-on program. Okay, it's just a add-on program. For completing arcade points, you get arcade swags. But for completing the facilitator program, you won't be getting any swags. You'll be getting a bonus points. For example, let me explain how does this bonus work. So for example, you're having 44 arcade points, right? Now you're starting from now. So how this bonus will help you? So there'll be around 25 bonus points by completing some of the challenges, which includes these games of the April or May. Whenever the facilitator program will be live, I'll make a video for it. And if you want to know more about the event, you can just comment down below. And I have attached some links also in the description. You can watch the video and understand it. So it will give us 25 points, around 25 points. Okay. So we'll be having 25 points. So it will directly reach us to, it will directly jump our points from 44 to 70 points. Okay, so you can see there is a huge jump of points. So that's why we recommend to participate in the facilitator program. So in the facilitator program, there is simple syllabus and it includes the same thing. If I just open over here. Okay, so if I just open to the point system, you can see here also we have to complete some arcade games in the 2 months. It's a 2 month duration event. So we have to complete some of the arcade games, same trivia games, which is now known as sprint games, and complete some of the skill badges also. Okay. So when you complete these skill badges, you get the points for skill badges also and the bonus points also. Okay. For example, in the duration of 2 months only, we have earned around 75 points. 73 points, sorry. So like this, there'll be different opportunities to earn more points. So I think with the calculation, it will be better for you to understand. So let me just come over here. So here you can see if you are starting from March itself. Okay. So if you're starting from March itself, let me just show you. Okay, from here, right. So if you're starting from March itself, you can easily reach 95 points with the facilitator program. How? So here is our March month. Okay. So if you're starting from March, you can say 11, 11, 11, total 44 points we are earning. Now here, why you are seeing 95? If you just add all 44 plus 52 skill badges, which will be becoming 26 arcade points. Now why it is 26 arcade points? If you just see over here, 2 skill badge give 1 arcade point. So if you complete 52 skill badges, you'll just get half number of the points. So it will become 26 points. So it becomes around 70 points. Okay, it becomes around 70 points. But if you had the bonus point, if you have participated in the facilitator program, right? If you have participated in the facilitator program, you'll get additional 25 bonus points, which will make it 95 points. So if you are starting from now, okay, in March, okay, you have started from March itself, then also you can easily reach 95 points when the facilitator program will be starting. I'll talk about the facilitator program when it will be starting and all the details. Do not worry about it. So you can easily reach if you start from March also by completing some of the challenges. You can see these are only the challenges you have to just complete, and mostly they will update some of the milestone, like they will update the number of skill badges, maybe arcade games or trivia games, but they will provide those games and skill badges also. So no need to worry about it. Okay, so you can understand that if you complete with arcade facilitator program, you'll be getting around 95 points easily. But if you don't complete arcade facilitator program, right, if you want to participate generally, then you have to complete skill badges directly. And what are skill badges? I'll come to that also, do not worry. So you'll be having around 70 arcade points, right, with 52 skill badges, and in the catalog we have 90 skill badges. So you have to do more skill badges are needed to reach 95 points. Okay, also if you don't want to reach 95 points, you can reach the lower tier also. There are 75 points, 85 points, and 45 points, 65 points also. So you can reach to that tier also. Okay, so you can see these are the benefits of participating in the program. I hope you are able to understand. that with the facilitator program you'll be able to reach 95 points. Now how you'll be able to reach? First of all, let's come to the main page. So what is facilitator program we have covered, and how you'll be enrolling into it. A special form is released where I'll be sharing you a code. You have to enter that code so that you will be able to participate in this program, and there you'll be getting some credits for completing the labs, and when you complete some of the labs you'll be getting the bonus points which will be added to your final arcade points, with which you can redeem the swags in June. Yes, the prize counter will be opening in June, so you'll be able to redeem the swags at that time only, right? So what you have to do, this syllabus you don't have to complete, which is mentioned over here. If I just come to the point system, they have mentioned the syllabus. So these are the things you have to complete, and mostly they will update it every month, every year they update. Okay, so I'll make updated video whenever the syllabus is updated. Do not worry about the point system that time, right? So as of now I'm just showing you a sample demo that this is how we get the bonus points by completing the challenges which help us to earn more arcade points. Okay, in simple words, if you want to understand how many points we can reach, up to 44 points with arcade games we can easily reach. Then if you participate in the facilitator program, you'll be getting the 25 bonus points, because most of you will be reaching the legendary tier only, because no one wants a basic novice or trooper tier, means this milestone 1 or milestone 2. Everyone wants to reach the top tier, so mostly you will be also completing it, so you can easily reach 95 arcade points without any effort. Okay, it's very easy. We'll be providing you solutions also through which you can complete all the challenges. And if you don't want to participate with the facilitator program, it is also very simple. You can participate normally. Now let's come to the skill badges. So you can see this is a master sheet which I have attached in the description box of this video. You can see now why we are calling it master sheet, because it contains all the details, how to participate and all your doubts, like your streaks are not increasing, how you'll be getting the swags. All things are covered in two languages, Hindi and English. If you click on this, you'll be redirected to the Hindi playlist, and it is a detailed playlist, so videos are less. Okay, and in English playlist, the I think this will open the video. So in English video, all the details are covered in less than 1 minute. Okay, if you want exact roadmap in step by step in very short format, means every detailed format from January, you can watch these videos and understand, and all the doubts are covered, mostly whatever you need. Okay, from sharing your credits, from market facilitator program, all things are covered over here. Now let's come to the main theme, how to complete these monthly games. Okay, for monthly games you have to click on the monthly game sheet, and you can just see every month we update the sheet. Okay, if the sheet is not updated, you can just navigate to the channel playlist and you'll find everything in detail. You can see these are the solutions which are already live. Now you know how to see the monthly games over here, and right to it is the playlist over here. Okay, solution playlist we call it, and we are talking about the skill patches here. So you have to click on the pre-assessment skill patches. Now here on the left side all the badges are there. Okay, and on the right side all the solution is there. For example, if I have to just show you a sample demo of the skill badge, so if I just click on it like this, you have to simply open it and you have to sign in. Okay, so it is not opening, so let me just check it. I think there is some issue with the links, so I will update it. Okay, so I will update it, do not worry about it. So this is the sample skill batch, and why we're calling it pre-assessment, because you can see it's showing ready a challenge. So when you click on start challenge, you'll see a challenge lab over here. So this is has only one challenge lab, so let me just show you a different one. So yes, this one. You can see multiple labs are there. So here, if you click on start challenge, you'll be redirected to the last challenge lab. And when you complete the last challenge lab, you don't have to complete the remaining labs which are listed over here. Just by completing this lab, you'll be getting the badge without any issue and easily. But you have to click on this start challenge. Do not directly click on the challenge lab to complete the lab. Otherwise, you won't be getting the badge directly by completing one lab. And just next to it is the solution guide. Okay, you can just watch it and complete it without any issue. So most of you commented yesterday that we are having exams in April and May. We cannot participate in the Arcade Facilitator program. So how we can start earning the points if we are starting just now, right? So if you're starting just now and you want to complete all things in March itself, so in March you are earning 11 arcade points. One more game will be live very soon. So how to complete more skill badges, like you want to reach 30 points. Okay, so we have around 90 skill badges. Let's approx, because 92 are there, but we are just counting 90. So you can earn 45 points with the skill badges only. Okay. So how to complete skill badges, as I have shown you the master sheet, how you have to navigate and do all things. So total it will become 56 points. Okay. So you can easily reach 56 points with the help of this. And if you just complete every month game, then also you can easily reach 70 points. Okay. And more. Like for example, if you complete 44 plus 45, you can easily reach 89 points. Okay, 89 points you can easily reach. So like this you can proceed with the journey. And for completing skill badges, I have already shared every resource you need. Now you can just complete whatever requires, but I'll recommend wait for the Facilitator program. It will be starting very soon, mostly in April and May. There you'll be just getting more benefits and more bonus points. So stay tuned till the end. And if you want to participate in other events, you can just check out the channel. Multiple challenges are live on the channel, whether it's the Notion MCP challenge, whether it's the Big Code challenge, and all things are available on the channel. So this was the quick update I wanted to share. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and thank you. Have a great day ahead.